एक एक
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
चलो अठवाडियाना नाम बोलो वीकना અત્યારે બોલી તે તારી બેન
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
ઓકે બરાબર એવી રીતે યાદ રાખજો બરાબર फिर नीचे रखो ये क्या है हाँ फिर ये क्या है ऊ है फिर ये क्या है रू है फिर ए अ फिर ए फिर ये कौन सा है ओ फिर आउ फिर फिर आह चलो वापस पढ़ो अ के बाद क्या होता है आ फिर ई बराबर फिर पढ़ो ई ऊ ऊ फिर रू ए अ फिर ए ओ औ आह इस तरह तैयार करके लाना कह जाओ हलमत
2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 40, 2 8 the 60, 2 9 the 80, 2 10 the 20.
चल माहे
3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 7 the 21, 3 8 the 24, 3 9 the
3 9 जा કેટલો થાય 3 9 जा मोहम्मद
26,
हैं 20
27,
हाँ
27, 3 10 the 30, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 60, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 8 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32, 4 9 the 37, 4 10 the 40,
4 9 जा
36,
4 10 जा
40.
ओके
My name is Barasia Humera. My standard 5th A. My subject is environment. My topic is what will be this finishing. Today we were going on a school. Going on a school trip to the Adalaj Stepwell, about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. We began contacted the vehicles on the road. Some of used contacted the bicycles, others contacted the bus, car and motorcycle. Abraham, who was contacted bicycle, soon got boring. There were handley and bicycles on this highway. The driver suddenly backed at the red light signal. It was a big crossing and we should see the traffic line up on all sides. There was noise of honking and smoke coming out of the vehicles. Maybe that is why a little boy is a rickshaw was approaching so much. I smelled something familiar. I remember that days similar also came from my father's truck in the village.
Okay.
My name is Kashish. I am studying in Standard 4. My subject is English and topic why I am studying poem. I know a curious little boy whose is are always asking why that, why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the boy. He wanted to know why he wanted to know why should swim, why lead and marble skin.
Next.
My name is Prachi. My subject English. My topic why.
Start the poem.
I start the poem. I know a curious little boy. Why? Who is always asking why? Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the why?
Okay.
Him, my study is 7. My topic is પ્રાજનિક અંગો. ધોરણ 6 માટે અમે પુષ્પોના વિવિધ ભાગનો અભ્યાસ કરેલ છે. હવે વનસ્પતિના વિવિધ ભાગનો અભ્યાસ અંગો અને તેને લખવાનું છે. મોટા ભાગની વનસ્પતિ મૂળ, પ્રકાંડ અને પર્ણ ધરાવે છે. તેઓને વાનસ્પતિક અંગો કહે છે. ચોક્કસ સમયગાળાની વૃદ્ધિ થાય છે અને આપણને વનસ્પતિમાં વિવિધ ભાગો જોવા મળે છે. તમે નિહાળ્યું હશે કે વસંત ઋતુમાં આંબાને પુષ્પો થાય છે. આ એ જ પુષ્પો છે જેમાંથી કેરીનું નિર્માણ થાય છે. તેને આપણે ઉનાળામાં મજા માણીએ છીએ. આપણે નર કે માદા જન્યુની વનસ્પતિના પ્રજનન ભાગો છે અને તે મેં મુખ્યત્વે વહેંચાયેલા છે. અલિંગી પ્રજનન અને લિંગી પ્રજનન. અલિંગી પ્રજનનમાં વનસ્પતિ મૂળ વિના પણ નવો છોડ સર્જિત થાય છે અને જ્યારે લિંગી પ્રજનનમાં મૂળ બીજમાંથી જ મેળવાય છે. અલિંગી પ્રજનનનો એક પ્રકાર છે કે નવો છોડ બીજમાંથી જ મેળવાય છે, તેમને ઉપનયન થાય છે.
Okay.
My name is Uwe Sosket Garasia. My standard is 7th. My topic is, my subject is English. My topic is that work. Before beginning that take tax make you understand and the work and meaning in how does it do that. This part 1. Did you find new words and such as reflect photons or angles and that you find that you need happily, which that known dam which known dam.
Okay.
Patel. I am studying class 6, subject English. My topic is Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village. My father spends money to buying new seeds and every year to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago, he would collect seeds from his own plants which help to grow new plants during the next year. So during the next year, so
Continue. Okay. Finish. Okay.